the Major Prep Training for Triumph Workshop, Boys and Girls Club Edition. Check it out. Let's go around and speak upon your thoughts of the book and some of the things you like about the book so far.
I like that this was the first time I really thought about the stuff that I wanted to do more with my family, because usually I don't know what to say. Usually I'm always doing stuff with my family, but there's like stuff that we can do that can bring us like closer together.
Right.
That would be more, that make us better,
more closer as a family.
And that's what.
So the book helped you think about more things that you guys can do together.
Yeah.
Okay. Paper.
For number one, I want like going to lunch with my I'm going to fancy dinners with my family.
Is that something you want to do for your family goals?
Yeah.
What is something you want to do for your spiritual goals?
I have everything I need because of God.
You have everything you need because of God. And read one of your personal goals that you wrote down as well.
In 8 years, I need to success in college.
You want to be successful and go to college?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's get some of the boys going. What about you?
Me?
Yeah.
This is personal goals, and like I wanna go to the NBA.
Okay. One more.
Stay in my books.
Stay in your books. Get a good education.
Mhm.
Okay. What about you? I know you've been reading hard in that book too. So tell me something that you liked about the book so far.
About it, I like how you said, when you said that basically about God in it. There's a lot about God, and I like how that you could educate a lot of kids with this book.
Nice. Okay.
And one of my things is, so this is personal goals. I want to start not getting in trouble and help my family out.
Nice. One of your personal goals that you wrote.
Goals, my spiritual goals, I put to pray more.
To pray more.
Yeah.
Got you. Nice. One thing you liked about the book so far.
It was inspirational.
All right.
And my personal goal is go to the NFL and go to the Hall of Fame.
All right.
This book is very inspirational and like motivational. Like how you talk about God can motivate like many kids. And one of my spiritual goals is have a personal relationship with God.
Nice. And what's one of your personal goals?
Be successful in life.
And how is one of the ways that you can become successful?
Stay
Or what
humble,
is something?
remain focused.
And keep working.
Yep.
And keep working. Keep working. All right.
That was good.
I like it. Major Prep Training for Triumph Workshop. The youth spoke for itself. Be sure today to contact Bryan Majors at www.majorpreparation.com or majorprepllc@gmail.com so you can book him today to come to your school or program to have a Major Prep Training for Triumph workshop. I promise you he will inspire your youth to tap into their full greatness. Stay focused, remain humble, and keep working. Keep working. Keep working. Hope to talk to you soon. Major Prep.